Question 2. Evaluate the integral I by reversing the order of integration. So the first thing to do is figure out the area, the region in which we are integrating over. So that region is the set S. The y values go from 0 to 1, and the x values follow these bounds. So the first thing we should do is draw it out, because this is very drawable. So y is less than or equal to x over 3, and x is less than or equal to 3. So let's consider the line y equals x over 3. That's a straight line like this. By this bound, we're interested in everything below the line. And by this bound, we're interested in everything less than 3, if the x value is less than or equal to 3. Here, we're also told the y values go from 0 to 1. So let's say y's 1 is up here, and y's 0 is at the origin. Very fortunately for us, this point here is 3, 1. So if we were to satisfy everything in y values going from 0 to 1, but the x values, but we're also below the line, and our x values go from, as you can see, 0 to 3, what we have is this: horizontal strips. It's the region in this triangle. If we were to reverse the order of integration, we want to visualize this using vertical strips. And the way we could do that is to then say our x values are going from 0 to 3, but what about our y values? So to reverse the order of integration, the y values are bounded below by 0 and bounded above by the line. And the x values will have free range from 0 to 3. And that will describe the same set S. So in this case, the strips are like this. So our set S is equivalent to this expression. So now that we have this alternate way of describing S, the question becomes much simpler. So we can now express the integral like this. But now it's going to be dy dx as opposed to dx dy. And since we're integrating over y first, we treat the x as a constant. And then we have ex squared. That's just going to be x over 3 minus 0 dx. And then now it's just first year integration. Use your favorite method, probably substitution here. This becomes 1 over 6. And x goes from 0 to 3. So then that would simplify to 1 over 6, e to the power 9 minus e to the power 0, which is just 1. And that's it. That's it for question 2.